Interpreting the graphs of two functions. I've gone ahead and I've taken a screenshot of one of our problems from Alex, so that way I can kind of scribble on this as we work on it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to read the information that we've got. It says Yoko will rent a car for a day. The rental company offers two pricing options, option A and option B. For each pricing option, cost in dollars, okay, the cost is over here on our y-axis, depends on the miles driven as shown below, and our miles are down on the x-axis. So our first question, it says, if Yoko drives the rental car 75 miles, which option costs less? It's going to be very important that you pay close attention to the key words. Sometimes they'll say more. Each problem will be different, and so you'll have to pay attention to those key words. So it says 75 miles, so we're going to go to our 75 miles here. And it says cost less. So we're going to go up here, and our cost goes from 0 to more expensive. Okay, so we're going to go until we hit the first line. And I'm trying to do this as carefully as possible. So our first line is this red one. So that means option A is the cheapest. The next question is, how much less does it cost than the other option? Okay, well, first we need to find out exactly how much this did cost. So from here, we're going to kind of draw our line over, and it says 35. Okay, so we've got 35. This is the cost for option A. Now we're going to keep going up to find the cost of the other option. Okay, and this one happens to be a straight line across, which makes it easy for us. So it's 50. So we're going to take 50 minus 35, which of course gets us 15. So that's what we're going to type into the box here, 15. Okay, for the second part of this problem, it says, for what number of miles driven do the two options cost the same? Okay, this means they're intersecting. Intersect. Helps if I could spell intersecting. I think I'm running low on coffee. Maybe I need more coffee. So at this point here, we've got, this is where they intersect. Okay, the point that they cross. That means the price here is the exact same for either option. Okay, so once we find where they intersect, we're going to follow that down because it wants to know the number of miles. So we go down here, and our number of miles is 150. So in this box, we will type 150. If Yoko drives less than this amount, again, paying attention to the key words, less than this amount, which option cost more? So drive less, which means it's got to be on this side, and it wants to know which one's more expensive. So based on this information, option B cost more. And this is how you will analyze the graph in order to find the information needed for these questions.